Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 2551M online. First, ensure you understand why you need to file this specific form and its implications for your tax obligations. Next, gather all required financial documents, such as income statements and expense records, to ensure accuracy. Finally, we will guide you through accessing the correct government or authorized online portal to begin your electronic submission. This structured approach helps streamline the entire filing process efficiently. Before you even log in, it's crucial to prepare your information thoroughly. Double-check that your personal identification details, like your name and taxpayer identification number, are completely accurate. Then, cross-reference all your income sources and their corresponding amounts with your personal records to prevent discrepancies. Organizing your supporting documents, such as receipts or statements, will make data entry much smoother and faster. Now, let's navigate the online portal. Begin by creating a new account or logging into your existing secure filing account. Once inside, carefully input all the required data into the digital form fields, paying close attention to each section. Remember to frequently use the System Save feature to ensure you don't lose any of your progress, especially if you need to step away or encounter an interruption. The final steps are critical for a successful submission. Take your time to thoroughly review all the information you've entered, checking for any potential errors or omissions. Once you're confident everything is correct, electronically sign and submit your completed Form 2551M. You'll usually receive a confirmation. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.